So often we get the question what the difference is between our Bitaxe Supra and other Bitaxe Supras which you can buy. So first of all, we assemble them in Europe, so the cases are a high quality 3D print, which is a stand where we then mount them manually. So we basically mount this on the 3D printed cases ourselves. And then now we have special boxes that fit exactly the Bitaxe, and then where we also ship them with the special, how they call them, the 8 plastic, so they don't get damaged in the transport. And also we always attach a Likey adapter, so it's designed in Germany. It's a high quality adapter, so no cheap shit that is coming from us. And therefore also next to the $5 that is being donated for the open source mining United initiative, we spread extra hash across the globe with every miner you buy with us. Thank you.